kind of the percussion, and then I'll show you how to change that. The only piano for that.
Okay.
So yeah, it's not as easy to tell the deliberation, but it is longer.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah, but keyboard, control like that. So that is input. No, second input, non-data is the button. Okay, so they with the mouse that controls the button. So this input into make note is the body velocity. Second input into make note is your velocity. I'll show you that once you get this working. That'll be your reward. So this one is velocity. Oh, who knows that really high note? You guys. Oh, I made it! Yay! And now I'll change duration. Something else. Ah. Okay. Duration. So this other inlet is the duration. So I change it to 2.
So what I did was sort of rough out about how much of the screen you're using for, like, because it's only 0 to 127. Right, okay. So when you hit 127, it's just like half, right? So if you multiply, you get half of whatever number's coming out. You end up getting 0 to 127.
So multiply what by half? Sorry? But now I'm dividing position by 10. Kind of approximately get 0.
Yeah, I need to change the.
So, I mean, so what is the operation? So I did times 0.5.
And how did you put 0.5? So,
Yeah, that's what I thought, but when it comes to number, it doesn't change.
oh, you can put it right in at 0.5?
So that gives you dividing over half.
So 0.
Let's go way over.
So maybe I'm taking
Oh, because you have to do it based off this number. I thought you were going off that number.
off the dividing.
So if you're going off the dividing number, you have to do it half. If you're going off that number, you have to do that off that.
I see. So
You just add it up and stuff.
yes. Divided by 2.
Yeah.
And that should be. Oh,
Yeah. So it's like 0.4.
why did that work out that way?
Like, what did it work out to? 0.4.
You can do it. Everybody ready? Everybody have it? Working?
Yes.
David?
So this is the horizontal distribution. Dividing by 10.
Look. This one controls forward and this relation.
Yes, that's No, I didn't involve myself at all. Me and go just to the right.
Do you think the air is the target? Yep, you worked it? Yeah, you weren't either. Well, make yours work. You look at it, but you have to get it working on yours.
What's the maximum value for radiation? Is it also 1.7?
No, it's in milliseconds. So the problem is we can't really hear it. Lifeline, help your people.
Okay, so
You have the keys, control the baseline.
Up and down, all these problems. Yeah,
Yeah, so you need to take your resulting number. Take your resulting number and put it in here.
okay, so the next one's over.
Is that one? Let's say there's a 2,000.
Okay.
So yeah, so that should work.
Everybody in the room has to get this working before you.
I didn't realize like you got out. This one is vertical.
So it's one button is up, since we click the button, but there's only one. That's horizontal.
Okay.
The next one.
Okay, so we'll do that. And then go here.
So you need to figure. That'll control the black line and then numbers. So you get the correct, so you would be
How do you know what the I mean, how do I know what the like the number, the value, yeah, like okay. Okay.
Okay, everybody back to your computers. Did you get it, Rob?
I think so.
Mostly?
Yeah.
Okay, conceptually at least.
Yeah.
Okay, so, it's really hard to tell that we're sustained with this chemical, right? This is sustained. I was doing a quick search, and, this AU downloadable, since we don't have the downloadable modules on it, we just have piano, and if you change it to about 10, you'll get percussion sounds, because that's generally toolkit for 10 is percussion. But what we can do is send MIDI messages to another program, right? Remember, MIDI is just instructions for how to play something. So we're going to open Ableton Live, which is in your audio applications. This is the other programming language. This is the DAW we're going to learn next after I've exhausted. When I get back, we're going to start Ableton. So this is Ableton Live, and it has MIDI channels on it. Okay, so if you launch Ableton, you get a new window going. There are these things, they're MIDI channels, and there's also audio here. So we're going to make sure we have a MIDI channel, and you can pick whatever sound that you want from this menu over here. So I can say that I want off-world strings, and I drag over my off-world string onto that MIDI track. And then now I can control my off-world strings. I can go to your preferences and make sure that you're getting input from maps 1 and 2. So preferences and then MIDI. Preferences MIDI, it should be automatically, it should be on online automatically. Tab over if you're not seeing this view. Hit tab. Robin using hit tab. There you go. And do a new one if you have a okay. So everybody, alright, now look at your preferences. Did we do tab over and your yeah. And then alright, one is max, you should be on, yeah, okay. So, these are now going to get input from Max, if you set it up correctly. So this is a MIDI instrument, and if you notice it says MIDI from, right? And you're going to say from Max 1, and then channel 1. So what that means is, if you double note out and you say from Max 1, this is now Max 1, right? You say from Max 1, it says this is going to send something from Max 1. 1 is the MIDI channel. So now, note out, say from Max 1, then over here, from Max 1, which, from Max 1, So just like we can pass MIDI from hardware into the computer, we can pass MIDI messages internally. Okay? Then you gotta touch a mixer and you got to make Louisiana. Everyone happy? Next week, meeting 3358 for data machine robot demonstration at 5:30. Nick's undergrad audio engineering class is going to join up for the terminal demo. Bring instruments if you want. It will be set up and ready to play into them. Nope. And then I'll see you in 2 weeks, and we will start doing Ableton at that point. But the thing is, the class in here doesn't get out until 7. So we're gonna have to pair and triple up on the machines in CDSC. Okay, but we're gonna start on Ableton in 2 weeks. This is just giving you a quick taste of what it looks like. I have visitors. I won't be here, but you'll be here. I have people coming. And then, I'm tempted, I'm going to review a program in Colorado. But my friend Jane wants me to talk to her class, which is on Thursday. I was going to fly that one Wednesday, but I'm tempted to maybe do a Skype class with you all. Would that be okay with everybody? I think it'll be more independent at that point. You'll have access to this room, and maybe I'll even ask Nick to come and do a talk on Max to keep you going through it. I would like to see. Okay, I will let you know, but have fun next week. Torture your visitors. And you can feel free to come up here at 7 if you want to keep going and do a tutorial by yourselves. Yeah.
You should do more.
Oh, yeah,
That's how you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah, if your ID did not work, send it to me. No, either one, get the, yeah, the original place. 5 o'clock, robots, 5:30 pedals, 5:30 with the other group, robot rescue. Anything you'd like a robot to play?
You're on Earth.
Yes, but I have also.
Oh, yeah.